wait for this camp trip, are you?
Of course I am, and I bet the others in the back are too. Let's go to a safe forest to camp a fire at. Alright, I picked a perfectly safe forest to camp at. Now let's find an appropriate spot. I think this is the right spot to camp.
So do we collect some logs to make a fire now?
Yes, find some logs within this fire and come back.
Okay, see you later. Found one. Got one.
One log down.
Okay, Frederick, the coast is clear here.
Okay, since they are in a campsite, we need to steal the car.
Alright, you may come to the location and we will make sure they don't come back to their car sooner or later.
I'll be over now, don't fuck this up for me.
Bye, and also, language.
Whatever.
Okay, now let's keep watch of these fuckers while we—
Dude, language.
Dude, calm down. Do you know that the recently uploaded episodes had these kind of words said in them?
Yes, and it was unacceptable.
You should be used to it by now, man. Let's just forget about this.
Let's get this over with then.
Okay, the fireplace is set, now we need some food to eat. Shit!
What's wrong?
We forgot to bring food here.
Well shoot, what are we going to eat now?
Just search for any wildlife and kill them.
I think I'm just going to stay here. Me too. Me 3.
Me 4.
I guess it's just me and Greg. We'll be back.
Ha, what a bunch of pussies.
Hey! Hold on, Brinny. I think I got this one. Deers are the only animals that are the easiest to kill. Anyways, let's butcher this poor fella. I made the meat big enough to feed all of us. Alright, Brinny, we can go. Alright, we got the meat.
Great, I think it's more fitting if we eat at night time, so let's wait it out.
Good job on keeping watch. I knew you weren't pussies.
Yeah, whatever you say.
Are you guys ready to get away with this?
Yes, we do.
Away we go.
Alright everyone, dig in. Man, that was good. Anyways, let's go to our tents to get some rest. Wait, where is my car? Did it get taken by somebody?
I don't see anybody driving off with it.
Well, we've got no other choice but to walk home instead. The thief won this time.
We did good. Now we will sell this vehicle for money.
Well then, let's sell this right away.
And remember, you cannot stop the transgender boys.